Hello students. Most of the class 9 students are facing problem to solve the questions from new NCERT book. Okay, so the new NCERT book, that is Ganit Manjari, and in this book so many new concepts are given, and the first chapter is given students the use of coordinates, and from this chapter I have brought for you another question from distance formula. Okay, let us solve this question, how to find the distance between two coordinate points. Okay, so the question in front of you students, find the distance between these points. Okay, so distance between two coordinate points, to find out, the distance formula students. Okay, the distance formula, that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this formula you will use to find out the distance between two coordinate points. Okay, so number one given, that is A coordinate points are 1, 2, and B coordinate points are given 4 and 6, and here 1 is your what, x1, and 2 is your what, y1, and 4 is your what, x2, and 6 is what, y2. Okay, as you know the formula, that d is equal to root over of x2 minus x1, that is 4 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1, that is 6 minus 2 whole square. This is equal to root over of 4 minus 1 is equal to 3 square plus 6 minus 2 is equal to 4 square. This is equal to 3 square students, that is 9 plus 4 square is equal to 16, and 9 plus 16 is equal to 25, and 25 is the square of 5. So this is equal to 5 square, and the root over of 5 square is equal to 5. Okay, then second one students said what, second is point P coordinates are given 0, 0, and point Q coordinate points are given 3 and 4. So the distance between P and Q will become what, the distance formula, that is d is equal to x2 minus x1. So here x2 is 3 and x1 is 0, that is 3 minus 0 square plus y2 minus y1. Y2 is here 4, y1 is 0, right? So this is equal to root over of 3 minus 0, that is 3 square plus 4 minus 0, that is 4 square. Okay, so this implies that 3 square is equal to 9 plus 4 square is equal to 16. Okay, so root over of 9 plus 16, 25, and 25 is the square of 5, so root over of 5 square is equal to, no, that is 5. So third one is your students what, that is A's coordinate points are given -1, 3, and T coordinate points are given 5 and 3. So distance between the point S and T have to find out. Okay, so if any point will given here S and T, and suppose P and Q, so distance between these points, how can you find out, right? So use the distance formula also here, root over of x2 minus x1, that is 5 minus x1 is what, -1, so -1 whole square plus y2 minus y1. Y2 is what, 3, y1 is also 3, that is 3 minus 3 whole square. This implies that root over of 5 minus of -1, minus minus plus, that is 5 plus 1, that is 6. Okay, that is 6 square plus 3 minus 3 is 0, that is 0 square. This is equal to root over of 6 square is equal to 36, 0 square 0, so root over 36 is equal to 6 square. Okay, so square root over of 6 square is equal to 6. So you got the answer 6 here, and here 5, and here also 5. So students, in this way, very easiest way, you can find out the distance between two coordinate points by using this distance formula. Okay, so to find such type of question, to solve very easiest way, please like, share and subscribe my channel so that I can upload more and more such type videos. And if you have any doubt in this question students, you just put a comment in my comment box so that I can upload more and more such type videos and I can clear your doubt. Okay, so thank you, have a nice day.